In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a watch list on Thinkorswim app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and tap on those three lines, and you want to tap on the watch list to actually get into the watch list menu. From here, you can't actually edit any of these watch lists that are pre-available. However, you can create your own, and then you can edit your own watch list. So if I tap on S&P 500 or whatever it says up top, whatever watch list you are on, tap on its name, and you want to tap at the top left where you can see like an arrow up. And when you do this, you can then create a new watch list. So I'm just going to tap create new watch list over here. And when you do this, you have to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one test. And I'm going to tap on the next button up top right. And from here, you can then add in your assets that you actually want to have on your watch list. So here I'm going to type search and I'm going to do Apple just like this. And it's going to find it. There we go. You can tap on the plus button next to it and it's going to add it to your watch list. Whenever you're ready, press on the check mark button top right, and when you do this, you'll see that I have one watch list over here which is called test, and I have added one asset onto it. Now if I want to edit this, I simply have to press on the pen icon top right, and when I do this, I can go ahead and basically edit the watch list. I can add a few things on here, like for example Nvidia, just like this. I'm gonna press it, there we go, it's gonna get added. And let's also add Tesla as well, just so I can show you a few things more. There we go, Tesla. Okay, and now you can see everything on your watch list, and you could also delete your watch list. You could go and switch things how they appear inside your watch list. So just basically drag and drop them using that few lines on the right of every single one of them. And you could also go and check mark any of these and delete them by pressing on the delete button in the top right, and that's going to remove it from your watch list. When you're done with your editing, press on the check mark top right, and as you can see, there we go, my watch list has been edited and freshly updated. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.